Our planet is about 4.5 billion years old. In that unimaginable time, it survived fiery births and collisions. It transformed into a giant ice ball, then saw life almost vanish. Now, let us try to fit this grand history into a few minutes. Imagine all of Earth's life compressed into a short film. Dinosaurs would appear only at the very end of this story. Human history would fit into the final fraction of a second. To realize this, we must truly feel the scale of time. If we stretch Earth's age to a year, humans appear on December 31st. This is how young we are against our ancient home. In this year, the planet changes its face dozens of times. Continents drift, oceans vanish, and life teeters on the brink. Today, we will walk this entire path, from cosmic dust to cities.
From 30,000 feet, the city reveals its true scale, a tapestry of light against the darkness.
In those days, there was no Earth, no sun, no familiar planets. Only a vast, rotating cloud of gas and dust remained. Gravity pulled this cloud together, igniting our young sun. Around it, dust and rock collided, forming the first seeds of planets. These tiny specks grew into boulders, then rocks, then massive slabs. These slabs pulled in more matter, growing like snowballs in the dark. In violent collisions, they merged into the embryos of planets. From billions of these impacts, our Earth was born. But this was not the blue planet we know today. Young Earth was a true hell, a ball of liquid lava. It was constantly bombarded by asteroids and meteorites. Inside, heavy iron sank to the center, forming a hot core. Lighter materials rose to the surface, creating the crust. This core creates the magnetic field that protects us today. Without this shield, the solar wind would strip away our atmosphere. The surface was burning, and the sky was filled with toxic gases. Life was impossible in this early, fiery stage of Earth. Scientists call this the Hadean Eon, the realm of the dead. Then, one of the greatest catastrophes in history occurred. A body the size of Mars crashed into the young Earth. The impact was so violent that part of Earth evaporated. The debris scattered into orbit, eventually forming our moon. This impact changed everything, shaping our planet's future. We owe our existence to this violent, ancient collision.
A massive body crashed into Earth at incredible speed.
This body was named Theia, and it changed our world.
The impact was so powerful that part of Earth vanished.
The debris scattered into orbit, forming our moon.
Many think the moon was always there, but that is wrong.
From that cloud of debris, our moon was born. The impact was so violent that it changed Earth forever.
At first, it hung very close to Earth, looking huge.
Over thousands of years, it slowly drifted away.
This moon was invaluable for the future of life.
Its gravity stabilized Earth's tilt, giving us seasons. It also created tides, which may have helped life begin.
Without the moon, Earth would be a chaotic, unstable place.
The climate would swing wildly, making life nearly impossible.
So, we owe our existence to that night beauty.
From that cosmic catastrophe, our guardian was born. Centuries passed, and the fiery Earth slowly cooled. A thin, solid crust formed over the molten surface.
Where did the water come from? Comets and asteroids.
They brought water and gases from the deep cosmos. Volcanoes also released steam, filling the air with water. As Earth cooled, this steam fell as torrential rain. Oceans formed, covering the planet in a blue blanket. The sky cleared, and the sun shone on the water. The stage was set for the greatest show on Earth. Warm oceans, volcanic heat, and energy from lightning. In this soup, the first sparks of life appeared. It was the most amazing event in the planet's history.
Think of how fragile that first moment really was.
If Earth were closer to the sun, oceans would boil. If further, they would freeze solid, ending all hope.
Earth was in the perfect spot for life to thrive.
We still do not know exactly how it happened. But life appeared in the oceans billions of years ago.
Perhaps in warm pools or deep-sea vents.
In the dark, chemistry became the key to life. Molecules learned to copy themselves, creating new versions. This simple step separated the living from the dead. The first single-celled organisms were born. They had no nucleus, just the ability to live and grow.
From these tiny microbes, all life on Earth evolved.
Scientists call this the last universal common ancestor. It was just a simple cell, the ancestor of us all.
We still carry its legacy in our own cells today. All life shares the same basic building blocks.
Life did not appear complex and diverse overnight. For billions of years, it remained simple and invisible.
These microbes built colonies, leaving behind stone fossils. These fossils are still visible on Earth today. Life was present, but the world was still empty. Then, some microbes learned a new trick: photosynthesis.
They started using sunlight to create energy. The byproduct was oxygen, which changed everything. We think of oxygen as life, but it was a poison. Without it, we would not survive for even a few minutes. But for ancient life, oxygen was a deadly toxin.
It reacted with iron, creating the rust we mine today.
This iron built our modern world of steel and machines.
Our civilization is built on the work of ancient microbes.